Hello and welcome to another decisions training video. We'll be going over the high performance implications of a particular feature that you can find in the flows category. And that feature is going to be the send folder change event. So its purpose is to send report refreshes and to update dashboards. So it's a pretty handy tool. So what's the issue with this? Well, the thing to note is that it's not so much an issue, but that it updates the report and dashboard for everyone in the server, not just the initiating user. If you're only looking for users to get updated when they're interacting with the dashboard, you don't need to send this and update it for everyone. This can have performance implications if you're trying to do this for everyone in the server. Instead, Decisions has other ways to update dashboards or reports on a per user basis. And those options are the send folder change event for user step, which, as it sounds, sends the same refresh report except on a per user basis, and the send folder change event for user session. So you can send it on a particular session instead of on a per user basis. These are still more performant options than running one to send a refresh report for the entirety of the server. So let me show you how to put these into action, okay? Here I am inside of my decisions environment. So what I have here is a dashboard that displays my custom database structure. And here I have a flow run part that is going to create a new entry into this database structure and send an update to this database structure via the send folder change event step. So if I were to put in a breed here, and then I categorize that breed, and as soon as I hit submit, you will see this gets updated. Now, what's going on though is this is actually updating it for everyone in the environment, even those who aren't viewing this dashboard. You don't need to send that change to users who aren't using this particular dashboard, because when they click into the dashboard, it will refresh with the latest updates anyway. So they don't need to be sent this particular update. So what I can do instead, right here, I can come into my flow run part flow, and if I were to look up the other steps here, I can send it by user, I can send it for a group even, but here I'm going to specify user. So what this is going to do is that for the folder ID of the dashboard, and then the user ID, which I can get from flow data, initiating user, that is just the user that is going to be running this flow, the initiating account, and then pass in that account ID. Connect this, save it. And now you'll see that this behavior still works the same if I add another dog breed here and hit submit. It still gets updated for this user, but the rest of the users in the environment are not going to get sent this update. When they click on the dashboard themselves, it'll be up to date because the report is refreshed anyway, but you're not sending unnecessary updates to other users. Thank you very much for watching. Hope this helped.